Hello. In this video, I will talk about two things. One, why should you write a compelling cover letter along with your CV? And second, how should you do that? So, two things. So, watch this video to the end. I mark my words to the end if you really want to know both. Now, the purpose of a compelling cover letter with your CV is to make sure that your recruiter looks at your CV and does not, toss it aside in a waste paper basket or in anywhere, any other place. Especially when there are hundreds of people applying for the position that you are also interested and you are keen to get your CV shortlisted. Now, the question is how to write such a covering letter that is compelling and that can help you, the recruiter, take a look at your CV. So, first thing you need to do is to be brief in one page max, this covering letter. And you need to write about what are the attitude, knowledge, and skills that you have and that they are looking for in this position. Nothing else. Practically nothing else. And how can you do that? Simple. You start by thanking them, thanking the person who is reading your covering letters, and then you state what you think they are looking for in this position and what you have. And in doing that, you use the bulleted method format of writing. Let's take an example to illustrate this. Supposing a recruiter is looking for fresh MBA who's hardworking and has an experience in brand management. And if you have all that in your CV, what would your covering letter read like? Let's take a look at that. So you would say something like this. Hey, hello, sir, ma'am. Hi, hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Thank you for taking time to read this covering letter. As I understand, you are looking for a person with following qualifications. Bulleted point, bullet one, fresh MBA graduate, hardworking, and internship experience in brand management. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that I have these qualifications as mentioned in my CV as attached. Please take a look at the CV and revert. I thank you again and I look forward to hearing from you. Sign. So that's what you would do there. So I hope you have learned a thing or two in this video that you can use to write a covering letter along with your CV for a position that you want to get your CV shortlisted. Do use this, write it, and do come back to me. Did it help you? Is there anything else that you need from me to help you get your CV shortlisted? And if you need any other help, I have a wonderful course on how to write a great CV on Udemy. So look for that course. I will be giving that link for that course in the description. Take a look at that and do that course if that makes sense to you. And do come back to me by writing anything I can do for you by mentioning in the comments here.